Hi guys, how are you today? Today I want to explain you how the ABS system works. So this is BMW B7 2024, okay? Normally how it's work. This system should be same for all the car. It might be little difference, but the rest should be same, okay? So if you see here, this is the DSC control module, okay, which mean dynamic system control, okay, or some people say that ESP or EBS is different name, different company has different name. I explained already in the previous video, so you have to see the other one as well. But now if you see here, this port is EBS sensor, okay, this port is EBS sensor. So if you see here, this is ground wire which is come direct to the sensor, okay. This is also ground wire which has come direct to the sensor, okay. This is also ground wire come to the sensor, okay, the bottom one, okay. And another one is also, did you know the EBS system normally all the car use magnetic field effect sensor? So what does it mean? When you rotate the wheel, the relector inside the wheel, they detect this sensor and generate AC electricity, okay. So for example, when you open the connector, okay, this is the sensor, you open the connector, one side you should see ground 12 volt, okay, it means ground voltage, okay. Another side should be doesn't have any voltage, it might be very small but doesn't matter, okay. Why? When this ground signal come to this sensor, once this wheel rotate, it's generate AC voltage and send back on this wire to the ECU, okay. So again the ground has come to the sensor, and then when you rotate the wheel, generate electricity, should be AC voltage and go to the main unit, okay. For example, one of your sensor is already fault code, it says that the sensor problem. What you need to do, you need to open the connector, okay, see the ground, if the ground available, then you have to put back, okay, rotate your wheel, and here put the multimeter on the another side and see AC voltage. You should put your multimeter on the AC mode, okay. If for example not working, you need to see also the relector, maybe the relector is dirty, maybe some problem in relector. But if the relector is okay, so then you have to see this sensor, okay. So this is 4 sensor, and 4 sensor is the same situations, okay, same procedure. You want to check for all is same situation, okay. So this is 8 wire total, okay. See here, this is the brake pad wear sensor, okay, brake pad wear sensor. So one of the wire is come from the ECU, which is ground wire, okay, this is ground wire, and another wire is goes to the ECU from each sensor. This is sensor 1, this is sensor another, okay. This one is for example right rear, and for example this one is left front, okay. This one sensor, this two, the ground is sharing but the signal is different, okay. When the other one parking brake button, okay, switch, okay. So this one is 2 wire is come from this main ECU, okay. Another one I have here, the fuse box, which is right side of the dash, okay. So 3 wire is positive come to this main ECU. How many wires? 3 wire. 1 2 3. Okay, and this wire is should be the hybrid, but some car has this module, some car doesn't have. Okay, but it's same wire is already 12 volt positive supply. Okay, so you need to check when you on the switch, you need to see this voltage. One will be the ignition, two will be direct. Okay, and one you need to see direct ground. Okay, and this module. Okay, another one you have here parking brake issue. Okay, so one wire is goes to direct to the main unit, and this is the signal wire. And one thing more, then I do this kind of diagram. If I do straight line, it mean complete one module, but if I do dotted, it mean is not complete, only is show the one wire, the rest of the wire cannot be shown because all is dotted diagram. Okay, dotted diagram mean it's not complete this whole thing. If whole wire line, it mean is complete, so is already in dotted. This one is already in dotted. Okay, because they show only certain place of the whole computer. Okay, another one if you see here forking, and another one if you see that brake pedal travel sensor. Okay, this is for the hybrid systems. Okay, so one is come positive voltage here, and the rest is go from this one is signal voltage, but the rest is not available because already is hop diagram. Okay, and this is the steering column switch cluster. This is computer data line which goes to this main computer. Okay, another one is central gateway module. Okay, the one this one or two signal wires goes to the main computer unit. Okay, and they said it flex ray bus signal. Okay, flex ray bus signal. Okay, another one module is telematic control unit. Okay, luggage compartment. Okay, this is specific car because I write here is a specific car, so that's why I also write the location with their one. This should be on the dash. Okay, central gateway. Okay, and this one is brake fluid sensor, so you know already in the master cylinder on the top of the reservoir. In this one one is telematic control unit, left side of the luggage compartment. Okay, so for this from this also two signal wires goes to the main ECU. So normally this is all the EBS control module for this 2014 BMW B7, and this is the DSC control module. So again, if you see here, this is the wiring diagram, which is full wiring diagram for this car. Okay, is almost full wiring diagram.